Wait! Is this early in the video and I've already messed this up? Okay, let me be honest with you. This intro, it sucks.
I described some things in there.
But don't worry, I'll fix it. Let me give you the short version. It all started when my mother and father decided to have a child. And they said, this child is going to want to build an anvil out of a railroad track because he is poor. You see, that's my point. Maybe you're like me. You're not really poor, but you don't have a lot of clam. You see, this is the idea. We build a blacksmithing workshop for as cheap as possible. And with the tools we make other things to sell at the market to get clams to fix the hole in the wall. And my marriage. Just kidding. I don't have a hole in the wall. Like all blacksmithing workshops, we're gonna need an anvil.
Let's get to it. Looking almost leveled.
Oh, baby. Now, if that isn't leveled, which it isn't, oh.
So, what is the plan? What is the plan? The plan is to come up with a plan. So I've lined up the waist with the center of the face, or maybe what you call the striking surface. Oh, that's pretty simple. I didn't need you to tell me that. Well, listen here, buddy. I wish you told me that like 15 minutes ago, because I was looking at anvils for like ages. Not really, but I couldn't figure it out until like, oh, where is the center of the waist? What's on top of the center of the waist? And I stuck this. Oh, and by the way, this big grind is making life like 1,000 times better. I can't tell you. You could use the little grinder, but that's just for babies. And with the welding, I hear what rods I'm gonna use a 70-18 apparently. That's good for I don't know, I just googled it. People saying they're having good success welding these things with 70-18 welding rods. And I'm gonna preheat this because they also say that's what they've been doing. I'm gonna preheat this when I weld it. That's obviously gonna come later, but for now just yeah, gonna shape this doohickey. I'm clearly a welding professional. Oh, no, that's too close. I'm clearly a welding professional, as you could tell by these welds. And if you're gonna be welding with what the hell's it called? If you're gonna be welding with 70-18 welding rods, just do yourself a favor and glue some pieces before you just glue it onto the anvil, because I've been struggling with this piece for so long. I was getting porosity, right? You don't know what that is. Just picture like a kitchen sponge and picturing it being made out of metal. It's got all the holes. Now I was struggling with that. Look, there's a little bit of a trick to 70-18 welding rods. You know, you can't long arc it. They're going to get porosity. Things got to be clean. You probably know that if you've done any welding. But just if you're going to use these sticks, just test them out till you get them right, and grind them clean. You see, this is one of my last ones. Not really showing up like it. Yeah, no porosity. That's good. That's what it's supposed to look like in the middle, not like all full of holes. So yeah, try it out or don't. I don't know.
No, no, don't do it. I got so excited towards the end of this project. I realized that I'm not gonna have to come within 6 feet of a grinder for at least 3 weeks. Oh my goodness, it sucked, I tell you. But look at this, it was definitely worth it. Boom! Look at that, man. Damn! That's one sexy angle. I mean, that's one sexy anvil. All that's left to do now is to get some steel rig and test it out, baby. What? It's not working.
Right now, even I don't wanna talk about this shit.